FMCG products depend heavily on packaging. It's not just about looks, but protection, shelf life, and product safety. But how do we ensure that packaging remains durable under sunlight, humidity, and heat? Today, let's understand how UV chambers help manufacturers test and improve packaging life before the product even hits the market. UV chambers are laboratory devices that simulate environmental conditions like UV light, moisture, and temperature conditions that packaging material face during transport, storage, and retail display. By accelerating exposure inside a UV chamber, manufacturers can predict how a package will age over months or even years within just a few days of testing. Why UV testing matters for FMCG packaging? FMCG packaging, especially for food, beverages, and personal care, is often made of plastics, laminates, or printed films. These materials are vulnerable to color fading, loss of gloss or branding clarity, cracking or brittleness, and seal weakening. UV chamber testing helps identify such weakness early. It enables R&D teams to improve material composition, printing in quality, or lamination process so that packaging retains its integrity till the product is consumed. How the testing works? Inside the UV chamber, samples are exposed to cycles of UV radiation and moisture based on standards like ASTM G154 or ISO 4892. This control exposure helps simulate long-term outdoor or shelf life effects. Real-time monitoring, data logging, and cycle automation make the process reliable, repeatable, and easy to analyze. UV chamber testing is a powerful tool for FMCG companies aiming to deliver quality packaging that lasts. It reduces packaging failures, boosts consumer confidence, and ensures compliance with durability standards. For more information, visit pacorr.com and you can call us 888 214 9230.